I'm Nick Thomas with InfoSec Sync.
And I'm Matt Morris with InfoSec Sync.
And we're here at the 9th Annual National Cyber Summit in Huntsville, Alabama. And we are joined by Dr. Rodney Robertson, the chair of the National Cyber Summit. Welcome.
Good to be here.
Thanks for coming.
Glad to have you with us this year. It's been a great year.
How's the Cyber Summit been treating you, and what do you think has changed since the last couple of years?
This has been a phenomenal summit. I mean, our speaker lineup was probably as solid as we've ever had it. We had over 1,500 attendees. We had more exhibitors than we've had in the past. We had more sponsors in the past. So there was definitely growth. So there was growth this year, and I think we'll see growth next year as well. I think we're on a good path where every year we just keep seeing both the quality and the quantity of the conference growth.
So last year I moved here from Baltimore area, around the NSA area kind of thing. And you've been the chair for 2 years, and under your leadership, I've seen a tremendous growth in not only vendors, people talking very highly of the summit, and also excited to be here. I saw a lot more stuff on TV that people wanted to come and share their thoughts and learn about cyber.
Yeah, and this whole event is planned throughout the year by an all-volunteer workforce, which is pretty phenomenal to see the people that come together to make this happen. We've really increased our social media activity. I think that's getting the word out, in places where in the past maybe we didn't do a good job of advertising the summit, but we're looking to see where our attendees are coming from, so that helps us know where we can really target our social media activities for next year. And then the word spreads. We've got people from NSA, DHS, Center of Academic Excellence from 200 universities across the nation. So they come, they have a good experience, and they go back and tell their colleagues, and that really helps get the word. So we bring a lot of people out of town for this conference. Some of these conferences, the majority of the people are actually here locally. The majority of the people we have attending this conference actually come from out of town.
Yeah, that's very exciting. And Matt is actually from out of town because he's from my old neck of the woods in Baltimore.
Right.
And Matt, what do you think you've seen here that you don't see in the Baltimore NSA region?
I mean, I think just the pace that I've seen here for cybersecurity and cyber matches that of what I've seen in Baltimore, and the conference definitely it feels good. Yeah.
Well, we've got industry, we've got academia, we've got government people involved. We've got tracks focused on people who are CEOs and presidents of companies and management type topics. We've got a couple of different technical tracks. We've got a research track that we're really trying to grow for the academia people. I mean, the papers are refereed from academia across the nation. They're published papers, so we had good participation in that. So we're really bringing the government, industry, and academia together to talk about the complex problems affecting cybersecurity, something I think this summit does really well.
Yeah, and that's exactly what I noticed. And what I would say in one word to sum it up is a platform. This has provided a platform. I'm very impressed with Huntsville, with where y'all are at, and I can't wait to come back down again to see y'all at year 10 of the Cyber Summit.
We look forward to having you back.
So, absolutely.
All right, Rodney. Well, thanks so much for
Thank
joining
you.
us.
That was
and thanks
fun.
for being the chair.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
And thanks for staying in sync with InfoSec Sync.